lick me. If you think about lick me, you just lick me first.
No, turn on your neck back.
Lick me first.
You turn on your neck back.
Me not turn around.
Me no want lick in your gut.
Lick me.
Me say turn on your neck back. Idiot girl.
Come.
So if you shut down, you want lick turn on so.
Welcome back to David and HD YouTube. On our day where this is David and himself I represent. Alright, here we go. New banger, new extreme, new epic movie. The one named Mother versus BabyMother. And that one is a mad thing. So what you do? Like, comment, subscribe. People, especially people who watch on the television, the computers, the tablet and all of that way. It's a little bit more difficult to subscribe. Believe me. Just subscribe on your phone or just press the button. You can do it on the remote, you know, to subscribe so when it come out you get the notification so you can go on the first set of people them. Alright, remember we also look donations to help out improve camera work, so microphone and all of that, but just grab some popcorn and make sure you enjoy the movie.
Who's in here? My mother and my baby mother, the world is not fair. Oh Lord!
Well, want to see the youth there, you know, David and you know, a big man ball game, and I ramp with my money, you know. Come in. Are you more asking, you know? Come in, you know, come in.
Morning.
Morning, not so good, you know, but morning.
Oh,
you know,
look from
you don't worry about that, you know, because you are when I cast this, you know. You are when I cast this, but before me go to that, you know, if you tell you it's suit, you lose your work.
Oh, you know that.
Oh, me know that.
Boss, I'm not telling nobody that.
So you never know, say me and your boss, a friend, a close friend.
Father, that's not even 10 minutes ago. How you know that already?
Alright, call your boss and ask him if I lie, me I tell you.
No, he text me and tell me, but me I said that no, nothing to do with you. How you
but
know
me
that?
I try to show you, say me and my friends, so you tell me. I just know what's going on right now.
Yeah.
Me I give you a notice to my place.
What?
Me I give you a notice to come out of my place.
Notice what?
Yeah, because you owe me the landlord of money. You owe me already, you know.
Father, you're going like a 2 month more, 1 month more, you plus this month not come yet. Tomorrow this month you.
You want to go on now? It's a 1 day notice for you again.
1 day?
Yeah. 1 day notice, so you have a whole of 2 days to go look house or something and make me get my place.
So I know so you normally go normally 1 week notice.
But you know if you tell me how me to run my place. You know why me not do this? After yesterday, you know. Me there in my yard, good, you know. Me no know that the youth, the way you carry in the yard, come and say you ain't come link, you know. And when me attempt to come out from my premises, and me I tell the boy to come out of my yard, the boy fist me in my face. Look at my face. Could you look how it's fell up?
So I him there, sir.
And you feel like me should make you stay in my place long?
Bossy, landlord, this time I say. You know have no right to control who me carry from me yard. Furthermore, if me carry somebody in my yard and you come and ask for the money, you should have fist 2 times.
Oh, that you say?
2 times.
That means if you come out of my house right now then, because your friend look like a criminal. And then you say, friend, you're part of a criminal, you're a criminal. I mean, I want a criminal in my place. I mean, I know you're no criminal.
So I say, you're a good tenant.
I know that I say is a good tenant, but 1 day notice.
Father, I can't be calm man for saying I'm out. I have nothing to do with man.
Oh, so look at my mom. Look at my mom. Even this morning, I wake up in my bed and my woman run out left me. So I feel like I'm on go lay down. You know what I feel?
So you can't do 1 month. See, Father, I'm not saying some joy from the
I don't think it's a good idea, you know. My people mouth swell long. And my mouth swell long. They give up.
What you know?
I have a new brownie to come in, you know. Someone come out of my place, you know.
So I mean, say
me have a new brownie in the morning bring in my place. The one that's slim and brown and nice. Them the people that I like in my place. I like man in my place.
Father, a years me your place. At one time, you look 1 month.
No, me I go home again. End of conversation. Me done talk. Just know say me I come for my key tomorrow. Make man fist me in my face.
You have to tell me 2 times. Sorry, never fish you 2 times.
Sometimes people not feel sorry for you or that. I should have put you up.
Come from man, me I call you.
The exercise.
Yes, the exercising body. Look, me are tired already.
Alright.
Me alright. We come from man, me I call the phone and I answer.
Oh, I understand. I don't say me not answer, but God knows the amount of things happen this morning.
Davi, this is what I have to say. You don't answer the phone, because if you did answer the phone, I hear a voice, you never hear a voice on the other side of the phone, you never answer the phone. So why you coming on your face?
Yeah, I'm lose my work.
You say smell like I am?
I'm going to lose the house too. I'm going to pack up my things and come up by tomorrow.
Oh God, so talk to the landlord, man, talk to him.
Okay.
A long time with there, talk to him. Because the house don't even so 100 now that I come want to put out people out of it.
That's a long time. He want me left. Man tell me say he couldn't wait a day if he hear so I can't tap here and I say he say one brown in want to rent this place from when and I'm here back in traffic. You know how long you want me come out. So me a good tenant but right now the brown in they look like a better tenant.
Well, we have to go do then. We have to go rent somewhere else.
How to rent somewhere and all the money? I don't think you understand what happened. We're behind for rent.
You understand that part there?
I lose my work. You cannot work, you soon pop.
You understand that part there?
I don't have nothing to do. At that me I try to get me a brain. I don't know how you so happy. Right now you come like a mad man.
No, remember say me can't too stress myself. Me can't stress myself. Me have faith in a God. Me live in a God hand. God have as one door closed, another one open. And if another door not open, God open up the window.
See that? I love how you're faithful.
So
What more I do? Just dance and do. Just want to pack up the things and things. But don't worry about it.
we pack up the things them and go.
Don't worry
We can't
about
pack up nothing. We have to turn in them, making he can't just tell us if he come out so. We have to fight. Go to police station or something and explain
it.
it.
Don't worry about it. Never figure out it.
Just don't worry about it. Me can't sleep out a door. Me can't sleep out a door.
a door. I promise you that. I promise you that. If I even cut down every yard if you want to grand, I promise you not sleep out a door. I say don't worry about it. But that's all go out the road or clear my head. Alright? When I come back, believe me, so I have a solution.
Yes, but you go to go clear your head. But if you clear your head in a time like this.
So what am I do? I can't nothing. I have to think straight. I can't think under stress. Just give me a minute. Just when I go to the road and clear my head for a while.
Alright.
Just pack up the things, but no worry.
Yeah.
Davi,
Right there.
how do you, bro? You look so sad.
I'm not even going to tell them problems and all, but some worry for sitting out going, you know.
Sure, dog. Like what's up?
Alright. I'm saying, lose what do dog. Lose what come you have and right now, they kind of war with rent for last month and second dog, so I got to the landlord this morning and I tell him say, yo, you know what's your father? I not think I go help to pay that month and I beg him a month and so. And I said no they on that. Right the same man write up notice and say, hey, therefore come out and place you know. Not even one week notice, 1 day notice. A man say by tomorrow I have to come out and place direct you today. So by tomorrow I have to come out.
So you go do dog?
Alright, now I don't know what to do you know. I don't know what to do. I don't know what me can do. I don't know what me can do in a situation. That's why I just say.
So yeah, what make you know? You know think say you could have go back up to your mother?
Brother, you see if I did me one, what I think about it and say, more I go, I don't have a problem to go because I'm mommy that but I'm me alone dog. I mean I like my girlfriend. And it's not a fun of my woman dog. So you know right that's a problem. You get me? So I even want to think about that.
Then what you plan to do, bro? What you do? Cause you can't when you get put out to your woman, you know, dog. A roadside, you not go there, you know.
What you plan to do?
Alright, what? Me just know what's the problem with it, dog. Worse, my girl trying to breed already, dog. If it doesn't know what's one problem in it, I'm not really want to depend on that. I can't like
Why? Why me don't even know what to do, dog? You know, Saturday night shop here, so me I'll buy some salt after cook rice.
Well,
Done, dog. Big up yourself here.
That's all for me. Calling
Thank you, Father God, for another beautiful rising, another beautiful day. Thank you, Jesus, for everything that you've done for me and for what you're doing now. I am so grateful to be alive today. Big man, can you pretty? Who that?
Let me know who that. Moment.
Davi,
What?
Mom son,
Can I come in?
come here. I mean, if you pick up, but you can't phone for question that.
What,
How
moment?
long will I see you? How will you there so long?
Well, me them man. They are work and sitting man, so you
You
know.
say you leave me bad.
Moment, this is so.
Look how long you call up for me, Davi.
Moment, then the last month, me come look here.
But the one that want me be your stuff.
Me not do
Your mother
that.
alive and whether you take out 500 if you call up for me.
No, man, I'm not like that. But every day we chat on phone, you know. And I like to live nearby, you know. One taxi me, I can reach all of us, you know.
So you look at the press, I want to you this morning. No man, if I see you feel, look for your face something not right. What is wrong?
Awesome. Mummy, you know say really and truly, I come over here to go access it.
What is it?
Um,
No, you better tie it up, you know. If I something wrong, just tell me something wrong. But pretty it up, I want.
I like to do it about my come on.
You feel like you don't feel nobody in here?
I don't know what kind of neighbor you
That you're not coming door if you come in my house and you do it here. You feel like you do if somebody not here.
No, man, me no want.
I want. Somebody dead? I want.
Nobody not dead.
So what?
Mummy,
You kill somebody? You rob nobody? What?
I lose my work.
So that be nobody not dead. You lose your work, anybody can lose their work. What again?
I'm behind for rent. And
You're behind by your rent.
yeah, I'm behind for rent. And you tell me actually landlord for 1 more month. Or something. Not even 1 more week. Right now I'm noticing right and so I come out and
So much about pay rent so that's the right notice. Look how long you live there.
the landlord they correct me. A long time you want me go because I don't know.
So long?
The landlord just don't like nobody as far as me can
So you move out time place. That's how I ask you.
basically.
So what again?
Nah, no, what's it go?
What do you mean you don't know where you go?
But
No, what do you mean you don't know where you go? So how far you are this?
I fear yard.
Yeah, so what do you mean you don't know where you go?
So I hit me I come on after now say if I could have come and stay till I jump back on my feet then.
Dirty landlord say if you come out of them place and I throw you out. Are you always tell me say you don't know where you go? No, you have somewhere to go. You can't stay for me yard.
Yes,
You
sir.
want to stay in the yard?
course,
Okay,
sir.
kind of know where you go, so you don't have no choice. You have to stay for me yard.
But mummy,
Hmm.
I'm a Kayla.
What you say, Davi?
I'm a Kayla da for come I'm animal.
Davi, I know say me can't manage Kayla. You know say me can't manage Kayla. Me can't manage Kayla style and Kayla. Me can't manage her ways.
Mummy, you know say
So how me I put up to take in you and me have to take in she too?
and that's why you know say that's why I never want to come here. I swear say that's mummy if you know say me have no other choice, but I go somewhere else. And me and the girl.
So me have a problem with a woman that go somewhere else.
Mummy, but
The people ill treat you.
boy, me feel like you got ill treat she, me can't allow that.
What do you mean you feel like more ill treat? Me not ill treat her because I tell you me not like her words from early.
Mummy, but
Me put up your son a woman, me can't tell you if you not bring your woman. A woman, if you don't have no if you go out town. So me have to make up my mind to put on up. But just make you know from early out say, me not like Kayla style and me and him now go walk out. Me and him now go agree.
I have a deal with him fear.
Me deal with him fear of course. I could have to make picnic too.
Alright then. So when me can move in?
Now if you want.
Alright, I'm going to get my things.
And if someone wait till the man get police and show you how to just sit with them and bail leave and kind of
No
stuff.
sir. Alright.
Excitement if people video put on YouTube and about. Go
Alright.
on.
I'll get my things then.
You're ready, when you're ready, you come.
Okay.
God, you see your life funny? My son, you know? I already a big man and a fend for himself. Alright. And my son say I have a problem. That means I have to tap up and look food pan the house. Take out 5,000 around 10 and go to the supermarket. Go buy some food for that place.
You sure say man never promised me I come over here can you know so she don't like me, you know. For some reason that woman don't like me.
Because somebody don't like him.
It's obvious. You know when somebody don't like you.
No, sir. Who make you say that, man? No, sir. Nothing like that.
When you tell her man say me I come over here, she did jump up and glad say me I come.
No, you just jump up and glad so people come over here. When you jump up and glad, who will have a problem with you? Yeah, no, sir.
You know your mother don't like me, you try pretty it up. You don't need to pretty it up, you know the truth. She don't like me and that is the fact.
Kayla, I'm gonna say this to you. In our life, and everybody have to like you. And that don't mean some mother don't like you. Just I say, you don't have to walk around and look like some people.
Me not walk when I look like for nobody. Me I come into her place and she don't like me.
You are coming with me. Yeah. And she stop saying I like you. You don't feel good.
Okay,
What about it?
Mm-hmm. Go on.
You might look strange, but you don't like you. And you
I know strange, she's strange. She don't like me. And it's the truth.
Come on. Mommy! Can I go let me in? I'm not so bad. Wow.
Who want me? Wow.
Morning.
Good morning, Kayla. How are you?
I'm fine, you?
You alright? You say you're pregnant, but make you all of these a big heavy bag. You make a Davi one. Davi want me now?
We're there, mommy. So, come over now.
Alright. You tell us a bit of something the man come, so I guess I come. Okay, sit down. Alright, so just know they are with me for a while. You don't know how long I'm not here. Just want to understand, say, at my place, you have all right to stay as long as you don't want, make yourself comfortable. But with that said, I want to help me maintain the place. This I guess room that you know me always have this a space just in case you want to come by or you want to stay over or whatever it is. Your girlfriend want to come visit and not feel like home, so this a feel no space. Right? Much not in yourself, you know, so I will just have a bed and a dresser. Whatever else, we figure that out at a later date. I'll put up some curtain and we'll film later. Right? We figure that out. And I don't really have to do it, but we have curtain if you don't want to put up two curtain. Can I get some curtain I put up and put them up. But anyways, I don't want to help me maintain the place. You know me stay already. I like cleanliness. Maintain that for me, Kayla, please and thanks. You go be my daughter-in-law soon, and my daughter-in-law already, but you can't confirm after a baby born. So, yeah, my son in a things, and I expect my grandchild soon, so I beg you to be on your best behavior.
Yes,
I know say you think I don't like you, but I don't like your ways. Right? Because I get that off of my chest, out in the air, right?
Yes.
So Davi, we alright, my son.
We're good, man.
Yeah, so far so good.
Thanks, mommy, thanks.
You're welcome, right? Alright, me I go in my room if you want me to call me. Me did do something earlier, so I'm gonna finish it. And we go cook some food for you. I think me know what you still like. I don't know if Kayla will eat that like because she's pregnant, because I know when people are pregnant, they don't really eat certain things. But you lose her weight, no cook some food for you.
Thanks.
You want some bad ones, some calming flour and some banana sitting in your body.
Thanks.
Me soon come, I run out the kitchen.
So me I tell you say,
What?
I must the woman say like you lose weight, like she a try say me nah feed you.
No, it just means say when me there, me used to fat. Remember say when first time me there, me fat, you know. Because in time, I never play ball and I said
No. You like she a try say me nah feed you, but she like she no want say it out of the open.
I know that you must say, remember say me feed myself, you know. If anything, I mean I feed myself. I don't know like that, man. You see, look how you welcome here. And you get this man, he said good morning.
After she take one good one the answer.
No, because I look and see if I really you say good morning. You can't believe.
You think they are pretty tough for your mother?
Just please.
Can't do nothing. Excuse me, but I don't.
I'm going to go so mommy. Wait!
Some water we do all the time happen, man. Yes, sir. So I'm going to a bit of sleep. Love a big mirror. One thing we love that big mirror. 3, 4, 5, alright. Now $1,000 to go down to the road. Go make sure so let me come on. Come put on one big mirror pan for me just up. It's a girl that sleep them a time of day. Watch the time. Kuya, 11:31. Skin plus special go down to bone and this a girl that in a bed well cozy. Asleep out hell and Pitney gonna look walk and she a kill herself with sleep. Hello. Kayla. Young lady. This a girl there. Hotel you there. How for real this? You can't wake up, look on the time, sun hot out the door, place hot like a fire, you kill with sleep. You can't get up and find something constructive to do. You go sleep till night come down. 11:31, it be soon done, and night I come down and you still asleep.
I'm truly tired.
How are you tired of this summer? You're always tired.
Remember some carry.
Yes, but have exercise make your baby fit. You can't make your baby born lazy like you so.
No, sir.
Get up, man. And find something to do. Get one broom or something. Start straighten up and tell every place. I go fix something for my son to eat when he come back. He can't when he run and look work. You think he got tired and hungry when he come back here?
Alright.
Fun and joke aside.
No, sir. Alright.
Look on the time. I think you may go wake. I'm here watching for a man in here sleep like you're not awake, so I have to wake you. Sorry about that.
Okay.
You are fit and green. And that's when I said, look how me big and tough and all. And as man in Pete, me get up. Weird.
Huh?
What you doing?
Yeah, take down something to look about something to eat.
Some food where you look about.
I mean, rice and chicken.
Rice and chicken.
Brown stew. Chicken and rice.
You look about both chicken and rice. Should I look for your rice and the chicken you take down iron seasoning?
No, I like to put on everything so I can see everything on the board.
Oh.
Like you can see them on my eyesight. So I now they look like from look, you see one me have and one me not have.
It's alright. We can't do it, you know.
No,
We can't cook it.
me can't do it.
That's why I tell you I can't cook it.
No, but
I can't go lay down and make me cook it.
When me lie down while ago, did you tell me say I been to see the time and Ray. Now me get up and do something. You say me can go lie down. Me can't cook, you know.
Me know say you can't cook. You must can't cook. Me son on the video you can't cook.
So make me do what me I do. Make me do what me I do.
No, it's alright. Me do it. Me know what my son like.
Me know what my man like.
When you live with me, it's thicker than that, you know. And it's thicker than that. So I just say, you can't cook food.
Me can cook. You ever tap for things that might be in a one fat?
Who no want fat? Maybe I be a trouble baby where me in a one fat.
No, what if you want to lose the weight?
No, I don't want to lose no weight.
Can you make it sound like say me not feed him? I mean, know me that feed him.
Never tell you that. But if you want to say that's for your business. That's what you make for your mouth say I never me say so. Just a saying the thicker than that. I know my son will look like no soup bone. Be a soup bone already. Yes. That's why I want to cook your food. And I say I don't trust you, but I trust myself more. I prefer to go cook the food. You can find something else that help me do.
So okay, so you try to say you don't trust me then?
No, that me I say. You misinterpret again. You draw one next accusation. Me say, me cook the food. You can find something else. Help me do something else.
Okay.
Me cook the food.
Take over.
Alright.
Yeah, your kitchen. Make a come out. Continue.
Thank you. Nonsense. But you cook rice. Every day this girl can cook. You cook rice. Rice. Every damn day you kill my son with rice. Eh? But you can't cook. Cook my backside. I cook my son piece of yellow yam with some caramel flour. 2 finger banana and some brown stew chicken. That me I do. Friggin' rice. You are Chinese? A Chinese you come from? everyday rice. Nonsense.
Yo, what go on?
Viper,
So you don't give me none of that good news.
what kind of good news?
Tell me no send up and work. Feeling boss man and boss man not hire yet.
Brother, I send up and up, dog, but the interview there, come on, I can't even make no sense. The man asked me where I come from. It's a Spanish town. But I said that, brother, he look where man give me his like he wants to say, yo. That make no sense, I continue, dog. I tell you the truth.
I lie I tell.
What kind of lie?
Brother, that link start me set up on you know.
I wrong links you set me upon. I tell you the truth. After he asked me which part I go, I tell him, say, I got sitting there. I graduate with 4 subjects. The man not even want to hear that, dog. He not even ask the subject them. He ask if me ever work before. Them say, yeah, me tell him all type of work. Them say, me a mad chef. Whole heap of things me do. But brother, from me tell him place where I come from, he's like, the man mind just cut, dog. The man tell me, say, yo, him will call me. But he call when he tell me, say, him won't call me. You know when like, you dip on the phone and you chat to a relative from foreign and your father give a phone. And he say, chat to him, chat to your auntie. And he did a chat and he just say, yeah. I say, we call him. And one of them they chat there. Like he just tell me, say, yeah, when you call him, but just kind of want me come out and place, dog. You don't know where you get your links them from, dog, but your links are not solid.
Yeah, I'm gonna call him.
No, sir. No boy feel like something I depend on him, dog. Although I'm want it, but if you don't set a link already and him know and do, sure something not get you up. Believe me, bro.
That's true too, still. So what going over here, cause you never link me back and make me know if your mother did okay with the baby mother. What go on?
Over here it is the next contemplate, you know. Mommy corrupt, you know, but he not go turn me down because he big son, my only son, my last son, my every son. As me so, me tell him say, oh, I'm movie. Mommy I say, yes, a long time you should have come back. When mention Kayla name now, it's like, his face kind of change up a type of way, but still he agree. Yesterday I'm movie now, he must say, I'm telling you, you see with my mother?
Yeah.
My mother is a nice woman, you know, but my mother don't have no filter. You don't know if it just lock him out, or you don't know if it just don't say certain things at certain times. You see me? As we move in, when we go say, this is no place and so and so, and she when I say, out of nowhere, Kayla, I not like you, but I not like your waist them. Don't no call for that. Alright, now I'm glad say, come like, a girl no realize that thing say, or you know, pay attention, because different things you say. You see me? So,
Why?
you don't know, dog. I left mommy over here and I left Kayla over there asleep. That time I was supposed to start late to that. I was supposed to start soon 12 o'clock or so. I'm gone from morning. Not even now or nothing.
Jaja. Rough on your side, my dog.
From every side. I don't know. So yeah, I'm going with.
Them day I walk go down the road there and buck up in the end and bro say, find out the good news if I did get to work. And walk going over here, bro.
I get no more than links to still not me know, you know?
Like, they are making one. I go down there, so.
There.
Yeah.
What a cook, man. What a cook. So, well, my son finally out get so nice. Call me the flour and something for do. No, I miss your cooking now.
You smell good, man. What, mommy?
What now, Davi?
There, what's going on?
Yeah, cook something for you to eat.
Oh, I look at interview me and come off from it.
How we go?
No, sir. Go try something else, though.
Now, walk out.
Yes.
So, you're so disappointed and drain and drag, or what?
You know, I get through, you know.
You know, get through, try again. You feel one place, one next door open, somewhere else.
I got me, though.
I cook some food for you. Dumpling and banana. And yam with buns with chicken.
A long time I get none of that, man.
Your woman is the one that says she'll cook. Your baby mother. Soon to be baby mother. When me come in and I say she'll cook rice. Davi, me know so she pregnant. But she lazy, man.
Lazy?
What you mean?
I don't know after that. What do you mean lazy?
He lazy. I mean if you wake him up almost 12 o'clock today. I'm going to a place hot and she don't want to sleep. Me I wonder how tired so. Me know so she pregnant, don't get me wrong. But he can't get up early, man. Chirp himself and make your baby get the fresh air in the morning.
Let me ask remember say, I'm not going to bed late tonight. I remember say I feel pain and I'm so when
I feel pain.
What do you mean if I feel pain? I say you happy, you know.
What kind of pain?
Kick him all day and something. have to ease with him, mommy. You shouldn't wake him, man. You should make him lie down.
No, I'm going to stay till whole till night. And me ask her if you come prepare something for you eat and me come and come see her. She cook rice. She can't cook.
Me can't cook. Me not have a problem with him cooking. He cook lovely.
Your man can't cook.
Man, I said you something, man.
Be a rice. You must feed up on rice every day. A Chinese you come from? You're Chinese?
Oh, sometimes you just build a noise. Sometimes even if you think something, you can just keep it to yourself sometimes. I don't have to talk out.
So me I'll keep this to myself too. Make him cook be a rice. That means say they feed up on noodles too. You let them be a ramen like a Chinese. That's why you lose so much weight. Look how you went thick and sick,
Mommy, may I go around? Just tell me the food on, please. And just try to keep your comments them to yourself. Please.
Comment you call it?
Please, mommy, please.
Me no call it comment. Me just a free my mind. Yeah, be very blood, me understand. But me take it here from my chest. Me no fridge. I me no sponge.
Hi.
Hi, where does that come? I'm there.
Alright.
Yes, me kinda alright.
Oh, that's good. I got one job interview in the morning.
So how you go?
I don't think I get through.
What do you think that?
I just know something I get through. Just the way man talk to me and answer me and say, I just know. I don't know, you just know, you know?
Oh, know yourself. The one I work out, but I don't want to work out. As I door close, I don't want to open.
You feel that?
But something happened earlier
What?
with your mother. You see me tell you? Maybe I tell you from me I come here yesterday, you say your mother don't like me. And you think I lie. That woman do not like me. Because she come and she wake up me and say, oh, me lay on the bed whole long and at the time and if I go sleep till night come and I don't say nothing. I say okay and I get up. I go brush my teeth and I went into the kitchen say I go look about something give for eat. You know, say me did lay down because I feel pain last time I go on my bed early, I go on bed late. See, understand? Me in the kitchen, she come in there, clean her throat. Like she thought me there watch me whole long. I don't know because of the focus. Clean her throat. I say, what me I do? I say, I look about something for you to eat. I go on the most and I say, oh, me can't cook. And me this and me that. And if, well, almost like if me could have cook if you had maga. Something like, boy, you know, you look like a fall bone. Some bone, soup bone, something like I say, you know, you look like a. Oh.
Okay, I just, the way I alone, man. And I'm not born with like I just, some moment, and you just, you know, you just have one way with words, like. You see if you don't know him, you're vexed with him. But when you get to know him, I just want to love little man.
Me get to know her. She not like me and that's the truth. She in the kitchen. She in there.
I don't know about
she run me out.
She run you out?
Yes. She come take over. Like say me can't cook.
No, look when the way I remember say you're pregnant and I feel pain. So I just try to help you out.
Everything me do, she a complain. Me lie down asleep, she a complain. Me I do something, she a complain. What she want me to do? You know the best thing I do? I make case and get a job so we can move out. Because it not go work.
I want a job, man. Don't worry about it.
Now work your son.
Watch out. You actually remember someone with your yard you have to cook and I say someone there cook for you though. Just look on the brighter side of things, man. Alright?
Okay.
Alright. Okay. Watch out on your food.
They say they look good for the baby, you know?
Yeah, look nice.
They like them baby clothes that's on newborn and 1 and 2 pieces in there where she can put on for the baby to go to clinic. Like them?
I feel by way.
You think she love them? Yeah?
Chill, come down there.
I fix up my ear.
Yeah, because some baby clothes here fix up here.
Good man, I can fix up my hair. Yeah man, that look nice for me. That look nice.
I have a couple pieces of them as well.
Come on, you go
1 dozen piece or 2 dozen piece?
No sir, just one. Remember see if it can grow fast.
Backside, how can I email this up?
Oh,
Davi, one light bill there for 17,000.
17,000.
One email there for 17,000 if you want light bill. So you could have go so? Then no, Davi. No, so you could have go so? JP send me one light bill with 17,000 Jamaican dollar.
So So how much I normally pay?
When I'm here, one day I pay 3,000, I pay 4,000 sometime. Sometimes I pay all 2,000 and change. No, but you look work at daytime, Davi, you're always gone. Fun and joke aside. But fun is a big old dirty thinking like with a JP send call me to go pay. We do data everything. I don't understand how be like they get so high.
Mommy, might be one mistake on JP's part coming out there at daytime.
No, so what could have bunny lights so Davi?
Mommy, nothing. I might be
Yes, and what could have bunny lights so?
I don't know, I'm not saying nothing, I just say.
What could have bunny lights so?
I don't know. My son not there daytime, I always gonna look work. And me and you alone there, I not say you. I just say. I don't understand how
Well,
just do so.
Can I find it in here?
Mommy, tell her, we'll find the money and book on that. Just stress the arguments.
Oh.
You know what I feel?
And look at me, you want to say wheat.
And same thing, every time you talk, you throw yourself in the bus.
Because they are drop word. They drop your word them.
We don't need to
and
drop
you
word.
see your son not there. And me and you alone in the house, right?
But Kayla, fun and joke aside, stick a hole in papi.
Mommy,
You know, if you say me, I say to you, I say to your brother and disgusted. Me don't need to pretty it up.
Mommy,
You just said brother and disgusting.
Mommy, we pay a bill just be easy. Easy.
You just said brother and disgusting and me pick up and me attack my mind.
Okay. Look like say you want to come beat me in my place.
Me never said that.
Mommy, never said that.
No, yes sir.
In a say, me and me a pick up too, me a pick up.
You see, but I can go outside. You see, that's why I didn't want to come here. I tell you, I didn't want to pack up and come here, you know. I tell you, you know.
You little bit too much. Go and go cool down yourself outside and have a coconut tree or something. Find something to do yourself. I stop stress out the grandpit. Me don't do nothing. We talk about the light bill, you never have the answer.
But you say, my son not there at work time. Come on, man, we're going to look up at me.
So what I say bad me say? She never even have the answer.
A week, so we are doing this. I'm not saying like you girl, come on.
You never say me no like her, I say me no like her. Ways.
Mommy, stop my heart and feel bad, man.
Alright, I had that. I don't want to see her.
We put your money on it.
Alright.
We put your money on it.
Alright, Davi, I don't quarrel no. I just a talk. I don't even see when I can reach this one. That she have to get so boisterous and so aggressive and start throw tantrum.
Kayla.
We are coming back.
Yeah, but.
Let me where me go. You see me out of the woman place. For me and I have things in there.
Okay, well, you need to come out one place.
She ever said that? What is saying now? You tell me that Davi, listen to what me I say. Your mother do not like me. You understand the words your mouth come out of mouth? Your mama no like me. You know, see, she don't even pretty it up again, she don't even hide it. And me, she wants to use the light bill, put up her light bill. 17,000. I never pay a light bill like that yet. No fan no in there. First of all. No TV. AC no in there. So how light bill I run up? How me I run up light bill and in there? When me there my yard back at the rent house. Me have fan and then something there and TV and light bill now run up to too much money. So I don't know if your light bill gone up so.
You never call on him, Kayla. Watch on.
But if she say, I know you.
Watch on.
And me and her alone did it. Obviously, I me, because she say, I know she. I know you. And me, she has said do it.
Kayla, apologize.
Yeah, me case I'm all left, you know.
No, watch
the
out.
best thing we do is put Ubaganga we are from today.
Look on.
Go beg back the Alana.
No, me can't beg you now. Kayla, look on.
Me a look.
Please, just give me some time to find my work. Just run up your blood pressure. Please, just give
Me
me
run my blood pressure, she told me I say. Alright.
some time.
Me will give you some time. But if me look at me see y'all next week, come and me still there, you know, Davi. I eat that. Me pack it up and me go in. If I ever sleep on the roadside, me and I go stand like me and her telling them, me and her will kick off. I mean, because me in her house, she gonna say she want to disrespect me and treat me the most way.
Go in back in the unfinished part. Please.
No. Me will take a walk on the road. You stretch my legs and exercise.
Father God.
Sure. Can't bother with the argument, you know. I'll make it start at me. But shit. Watch ya. I know 17,000 or 1,700. Backside. I know me not go bother say nothing. If you avoid the argument, me not go bother say nothing. You know me how do? Me not go bother say nothing. And this me used to. I just look for some money and go pay. I don't bother say nothing. I need my glasses. I don't make that mistake. I pick up some money and go. But wait, the last time I check my money, I go 1, 2, 3, 4. So, when my next 2,000 already, if you have 4,000, let me first let me double check. If you have 4,000, so I insomnia me got to. Me have insomnia. Me not only blind, Me have insomnia too anyway. Look up the money. I don't feel like it. Nobody say nothing to nobody. Maybe I may miscount the money. I don't understand my money take up foot and walk through you. I don't feel like it. Time to come in and me and this money. I don't see if I hallucinate or something wrong with me. I don't hide the answer. I don't say nothing for me. I want that thing say. I pick for the baby mother. I don't want that if he say. I come and I pick for him. So I go see. If I go miss money in here again. Nonsense.
Sure, you come like it bitter, man.
Why sour?
I pray.
Yeah, boy, I go on.
Yeah, okay. Are you going still dog? Might not be a problem to go on a yard.
Why? You say alright, this one you pick I sour, this one to backside. You go on it.
Can't go on, man.
So you say go on.
I don't know where you stay. I'm gonna say, the loan me I look over dog.
Loan?
Yeah.
This is a loan or what kind of loan?
I can lend somebody money and then give you back.
Why?
So watch out before you tell me a sad story. You know what I'm saying? Dog, recently, over here, and money I saying like we run up to 17,000 so dog, and we even did it at the end of run up to 17,000 when you run AC dog. You see me? I don't even have fun in my room, leave my TV and stuff. I tell them some of pay a bill, but I don't even want to pay that because I know I'm not myself, so I don't run up that, you see me? I just want a room more rent for 1 month till I jump up bad.
That's impossible, bro. There is no way a light bill can come up to 17,000. You have to pay that, bro. And you don't have no fridge, nothing in the house. You must be mad, man, dog.
And I one charge, I may have to charge 2 for them, so I don't know how. As we come a bill reach so high dog.
17,000.
17,000.
Boy, I'm gonna deal with that way, dog.
Why?
But
I want to jump post too, so where's the boy loans? They couldn't lend more 50 pack till we jump up back mad.
boy, if you tell you the truth, you know, bro,
40.
not even 20, I'd be a problem with me thing, dog. Cause me baby mother there, bro, and she not work. And me alone I work, bro. So me alone have to take care of my pitney, and every day she cuss me about this and that, pitney pampers, I done this, that. Bro, right now, for me stress bigger than fear. You're homeless. Me don't even know my side of the story, to tell you the truth.
God no. I thought me say me a jump over, I can link up and still the pressure I get real, you know?
And the money, bro. Last money me bro, me take you buy some things to me out. But yeah. So, what go on? How long me can know where you live, bro? Or where you dey stay, where you dey sleep?
Our mother here, dog, you're going like, oh, man, you don't know how if it's true. Yes, alright, you see half your pass, Mr. Alice, let's go up. Just a turn and lane, so on concrete house, like, doesn't mean no paint to turn on, because it's a bill. Right in there,
I think me have an idea, but I'm going to come find out which part I live, man.
Can't do it, man. Can't circle me an idea, because I think me are over there, man.
Alright, now forward.
Do right. See if me can get through the loan somewhere else.
Yeah. You can pick some of them cherry tree, you know, dog, and go sell it off for safe. Because I hold it for cherry up on the tree, you know.
So what time you come? Make your son come. You come from morning. Alright.
Oh, yes, sir.
Tibi,
What's your son? Kiara.
where you do them a fireplace, yeah?
Boy, you don't say Davi, me call him kwa boss.
You know, say in the on the road, he did come here earlier, but he left and go back on the road. He may just don't talk to him, say soon come.
Oh, you know, say this morning he come over me and call him for something, but never get through, so I say me I come look for him now.
He soon come, I can't stay and wait till he come.
Oh, how long that I got it?
It's around the next 5 minutes or 10. So not take no long time. So you can come sit down.
Wait, you know so?
Yes, man. You can stand on the chair, listen. So how your baby mother, how the baby? How things?
Boy, I have to tell you the truth, you know. Be pressure, share pressure, me, you know. My baby mother,
What do you mean by pressure?
what you mean? 24/7, cause my baby mother not working, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, one of you do everything. Every minute, the boy, me buy one pack of pampers, you know, serve the boy. So the boy name sewing shit. So he name sewing shit.
You must say a baby you have to understand, and then pampers again dear. Baby expensive, bad.
I want to tell you the truth, they're expensive, for real.
Well, me thank by grace of God, you know we make it out.
Don't say.
Oh, I love you, mother.
Oh, even Davi, mother.
What good about Evelyn? You want peace. So wait. And so you want brave?
With what?
My son gonna look walk. And me take a walk out here to go down the road so go pay one place. And you can't man come in my place. No, you can't man come in my place. When my son a tan, then I'm a man that
I'm a friend.
But I'm
And
not
a
friend.
Davi friend.
So how do you know this a friend here?
A Davi friend and your son he come too.
Look how long you live here. And me never say this a man here over here. And as Davi gone on the road, gone look how me gone down the road, the car man come here. Or he never come here when we there yet.
Yes.
When he never come here one day when we there yet. Me tell me son say I'm a good somebody. You. Me tell you say I'm a good somebody. See him.
Miss, no.
Shut up, I don't want to hear nothing because I don't know you. You me come board. Me come board you. Me tell me son say I'm a good somebody. See him. And me not tell him again. You see you?
So what you do? You don't like me?
No, me not like you. Me not like a bone in you. Me not like 9 or 10 of you.
Me did know. Me tell you something you don't like me and you must say, oh you like me, I say you stay me forget to know you. Me can stay some woman.
You have bad
What me ever do?
attitude. You have bad attitude.
What me get attitude? What me ever do?
Your reputation spoil. You
What me
got
ever
man
do?
in my yard. Man in my yard.
And your son
there.
friend.
No, your son, me and him a friend. I know what you think happening, you know.
Friend and friend make good soup. Are you pregnant, you know? You're pregnant at that. Are you got money in your place here?
You can't go and go lie down, you not tired or something.
Tired of what? Tired of his son? When we cannot turn down his son? His son not tired for that?
No man, every day you come in and say on my back, so ease me up man,
You're
ease
back,
me
you're
up.
by your front and your belly.
Ease up our family, ease up our family.
With me
Every day you
grandchild.
come bow me.
Yeah, I call and me make cause all of this. Me gonna leave, so we don't solve no problem. Yeah,
Alright.
Don't have no problem. Space. I bet you know someone come back so quick. I bet you know someone come back so quick you and me? No, wait for now, nobody live. Wait for now. You're going to go pack your sick.
No, let's solve no problem. Me can't manage that.
You're going to go pack your sick and come out today.
I'm at your place, you know, but I'm not moving.
You're moving. I'm sure
I'm
you're
not moving.
No, wait, stand up there so I'm sure you're
I'm right here, so me a
Stand up, right, I'm sure
I'm right there, me a turn up.
Stand up there.
Me turn up.
Stand up, go show you say you're going to move. Turn on the back.
Davi, right, Prince. Right now you come like your woman. Yeah, man, me fine, but right now your woman and your mother in an argument. You need to go check it out. Right now.
What kind of argument that?
You don't hear over there? You hear there? Go and go find.
Yo.
Oh, let me. No. I know that. Let me.
Turn on the back.
Control your mother.
What happened? Me put on your board.
Davi,
What happened?
Davi, control your baby mother. She don't got no style.
What happened?
We left you on the road because I know you're not there. I say I'm going to go do something. Come back. When you come back, I see me with man.
What kind of man? Which one are they?
Tibi, one piece of man.
Tibi.
What you want?
Tibi. One brown youth.
Yes. You look widow wobbly. So we get mad.
A Tibi matter. Tibi say you tend to come over here.
Well, me never know that.
Where see them all?
Me come close to them attack. You don't know why it's in there. When you come, they were talking.
Tibi, I'm a friend, man. I tell you now. Try to get sick before I tell you. So come over.
Tibi, your friend. That me never see him come over here yet to you. When you're there.
I don't
So
like
you're not there, and me get mad while I'm going to come back and see him. Sit down here. Where will I to the baby mother turn up and chat to you?
And she said she don't like a bone in me.
That not you. That new? Yeah. Anyway, Davi, me never mean all of that. Me get angry because I go stay with man. And me I try to protect your reputation. Because you're not there.
Mommy, I understand.
I'm not trust her, so me get mad a while ago. You can't blame me for
You
that.
can't deal with situations, so man.
Okay. So me come and call some man sit down and walk past. I say good evening everybody. I'm going and push it over.
Yes.
Nothing.
Yes.
Oh, come here, idiot. Me born yesterday. Me favor fuck. Anyway, Davi. Sorry about that. Me are going to the house now. You come, you can't deal with this. When you run and hide, you can't deal with this.
Go on.
But if you sit in that body and run and hide, you sure about it. Anyway.
You see me tell you about your mother? You see all me want about mother, you see me? I left out there. She tell me pack up my things and leave. She wait, you did there? When you get from that table, tell me that table if you wait palm me, you pack up my things and I come out.
Yeah, just be no. I've been just overprotective, man.
Overprotective what?
You have to understand. Your mother said, well, you know. You have to understand, man. No feel no about it.
She's not a mother, you know. Because she's willing to lick me in my back and lick my
No, you never go to the lick you. You never.
I don't know them. I take a big piece of board for them.
I defend him, I defend him.
I mean, defend me, anybody not harm me.
No, you know that, man.
Me tell them something there, mother.
Yo, don't apologize for that, please.
Say good. You're going to talk to your mother because you're the next one. Everything you pick up for your mother.
I know, pick up. Me just
Say good, man. Me not in the mood right now. Me not in the mood. Because when I tell her say mother don't like me, you say, oh yeah, she like you. And so she's here. You have to get to know her. And now she said to her mouth. And she said, make your ear. And she say, I don't know on you. And she does say, she tell you all the time. So the best thing you do, excuse. Yeah, mother go on here.
From backside. You know some ignorant for training. But you know some overreact a while ago. Me overreact. I could have had a way already. Let's go try and make up with you, Davi. If you could have mixed with me. Your friend up here and apologize and try buy her ice cream and something for me. To share my baby. Whatcha? So when my money gone again? You see me die and try ya. How with the backside I keep? I know so me not losing it because I'm not mad. I know so me put up. Lord Jesus.
Just forgive him, man. Forgive him for my sake.
Okay, alright.
Davi, me want to talk to you.
That's right.
Davi, you know so what I do a while ago. You know so what I do a while ago. Me wrong. Alright, me accept say me wrong and me apologize for it. This time I go in there so. I'm not so what me see, me not wrong.
Wow.
Because my granny tell me say, seeing is believing.
What happened to me?
You know so me I miss my money in my place here. Me I miss money in my place here. Me miss money first time and I say nothing. Me miss money again second time and I say nothing. The third time this no me miss money. And me know so one thief in here, me no honor you. Cause when me there with money and put on in a me stash, where there he always did it.
So are you a thief money?
The first time my money missing, me no say nothing.
So are you a thief money?
Me move my stash and put it somewhere else and somebody else going to go thief me money. And this time I know 1,000 or 2,000 I will I
Mommy, you check it from this place.
Me check it, me check it.
Stop
Me
the
check.
that hold me.
Shut up, let me son talk.
You stop let me talk. If you like you are here house, you want to come bully people. You can't come bully me.
Me
Me
not
not
bully
thief
you.
no money out there.
I'm not thief, you thief. I take your techie. You
I don't take your money,
you're
not me.
You techie.
Yes, I mean.
Me know that you take my money. You never touch nothing for me in the house. Why you look up it till now? You never thief money from me. Anything you want to ask me for it. Me have money in my place. Me move it stash. And now, my money I move from 1,000 to 2,000 to 3,000 till the whole I gone.
So who take it?
No, it take up foot and walk through the door and gone.
And most of it's not me. And most you.
Are you?
Mommy, no.
Are you? I must you take it.
Mommy, listen to me, son.
You're a thief. You're damn thief.
Mommy, listen.
What's up?
You're only pregnant and no worries. You're a thief. Fantasy.
Son. Me can't vote for Kayla. Kayla is a thief.
Me take your money.
Listen.
You say me take your money.
No, let me talk.
Every time you put your mouth.
It's alright.
Hey.
It's alright.
See when I say that, everybody out here.
Voila.
Come out of the yard.
Laugh.
Bless you.
You see anything when I dark, eh? My granny always tell me say happy come out in a light. It's alright, no me all do. I know what I'm going to do.
Check it place good.
Me go check up, me check everywhere again. For me know me eyeball now deceive me.
Just tell me how much money me son. We give back.
I hold on my money, Davi. Whole
Me
life.
don't know how much that me give back.
$15,000. Whole life gone.
You give back your money. Just stop on that place. Go.
No business where I want to do. I don't want no money for you. I know what I go do. I know what I'm gonna do. And I hope you do it, you know. Say me wicked, you know. For everything you say, Davi mama wicked. Davi, you see your mother? You see your mother? Like me, I eat that. Me see myself, I must know myself. I know me see me not stupid, I'm not fool. Backside. Every day me come here. Every day me come. So don't write us up for me, I could tell you. Write us up. Every day me come, me money are missing. Me miserable. Me a Jezebel. Me a pick palm people, me this and me that. So me go see if I'm senile or something wrong with me. I want to see if I'm senile or something wrong with me. Alright. I'm not going to remember and I'm going to know what me have. No. I hide that 20,000 here. They could tell you can't see me. I didn't know somebody put one teddy bear this over and put make camera and record me business. And me not tell nobody when me and God alone know. I put back in the same place. And go come back in and go search again. And then ride it. And now I'm moving. I must catch up backside. You go sit all laugh best.
I believe that. So you come my yard and mommy go say, man, but after all of that, you know what card mommy pull what I never expect.
Kind of card.
When I go in the house and come back and say money missing. Yo, as when you tell me say light bill high, I feel away but I never feel away. When you say, man, you kill like a man I yard, I feel away but I never feel so away. But for call, kill a thief, but I never cut me in a life so that brother. Say if you cut me, you don't see no blood. I don't shame, nothing else in me dog. And the worst part, bro, I can't believe mommy. I lie mommy I tell. Mommy just don't like the girl. I don't understand mommy that. I don't have nothing better than it. I feel like a stranger in a place. I feel like somebody where they are prison. And if you serve some food, give me that you want to do, you just spit in it and give me $50 dog. I mean I have no better choice.
So question, you think say your woman with a thief because I know her is not thief, you know?
Brother thief what no more scared mommy a draw. We kill her could have thief. When could have thief? We not hungry. No reason for thief, brother. All along me and in the yard, whether we have money or not, he never missing $1 from me. He more give me money than take from me. So when I come and thief from mother not like him, brother.
Boy, best thing me can say, you move out to your mother place, dog. Bro, it just rough on you, bro.
Brother, I don't say move out, but move out and go away. Just like that I question from 2000 and win, dog. Move out and go away.
Brother, just try go somewhere else, brother. Cause if you're over there so right now, bro, one heap of things are going to start me see, you know, bro. One heap of lie I go tell, bro. I mean, I know killers no thief, you know.
Right now, I tell mom and tell mommy, say, I tell the kid, I say, if you go link up in people, I'm sitting down, see if I can box with them. If I even sleep on the floor and go back to in bed or so, dog. I ask me, can't manage, I swear, bro.
A good move that still. We just do what you have to do, dog. You're a big man now, you know, dog.
Alright. What do I have to do? Let me see you.
Yeah, man, me there about.
What are you doing, son?
Hmm?
What are you doing?
Let's get the people with trying to make my name get called up. So I stay by myself. They say when I stay by myself, my name won't call up. So I
I don't understand.
I've nothing to understand me I go through, you know. Me pregnant, I'm not supposed to go through my pressure, yeah. Man, all of them are struggles, yeah. You see, me just sorry say me come here. I didn't want to come here in the first place. I say all of this happened to you. I don't know what happened, but all of this happened to you. I say you lose your work. Because, you tell you understand me I feel? Because me pregnant and every day your mother pick on me. Every day, see there now, she has slander me name and say me a thief. Nobody know do that to you so you won't understand. So if best me turn out and do out so by myself, she won't say me I do nothing and she won't see me if say me I do nothing. I stay by myself. Everything will be okay.
I'm sorry, say I go through this, but I go through it, brother.
Me don't think I go through nothing. All me I do is hope and pray say God sent an angel with me so we can move out. Because I want to move out. I can't do this anymore. It's very complicated. Nothing else.
God, real time hot. You look at me now and go through menopause. You still young, hot, fresh and green. 3 water that in a one day. I'm morning me gone. Go check this stash now. See, this touchy coming here. Same thing, see there. Same thing. Alright. Same thing. I'm listening again. Now say nothing. I never see a thing. I'm going to check the camera on my phone. That never go. Check the damn camera on my phone. Jesus, peace. Me shame a Davi. God knows me shame a Davi. Me shame a Davi like a dog. Kuya. Look at this. Nothing but I want this to drink. For me nobody want no energy again. For me have enough energy to call one meet me and no. How about Davi? Have a call back. Davi! For me born out of my mama. Me never see nothing like I hate thief. I hate thief. Davi, what have I made with your baby mother?
Wow.
Davi, one thief in the house.
You come back with the style again.
Davi, one thief in the house. And I know say me and thief for myself. So after somebody else a thief me money.
I'm not thief for mama for you.
Davidan, you know say me sit down on about this one thing about it. Me sit down on this one thing about it a while ago. But true me know. And true me know say me like long sleeve, Me go and just go fix up my sleeve. I was sit down what I do and watch the video, yeah.
You have video?
Which video?
You have video?
Me have video evidence in my house. What do you mean, which video?
Why you have video evidence in your house?
Because me have a hidden camera in my house. Me not have to tell us that me have one hidden camera in my house.
When things just start have hidden camera in a house.
You can't have hidden camera
What kind of style that? So that means that me all walk up and make it and find video then mommy.
Me have one video camera in my house. In my room. Me never say in a room and stay in the guest part of the house. In my bedroom. So me have the right to watch and want to do it myself. We feel like watch what I do last night I want me do today. Me go back and replay and watch my camera.
No violation of privacy that man.
Me violated my own privacy.
Show me video. No video. You better say that no video.
We want to see video for.
Oh, me not go show David alone. Since you get so impertinent. And me might hear about you too. Look. Come look. Turn your eyeball and look. Hold my phone David. Me not even want to hold the phone. So water. If you want water with the wall.
Mommy, hold the phone.
Want water with the wall. Me say me no want hold no phone. You want me vex me no want you give me no phone because me fling you away.
Okay, now what kind of video this? Please tell me say AI or something different me and look upon or me or no prank on me or something. What kind of video this?
Me and my run what kind of prank? It's no joke, no gimmicks, no ballooning. No ballooning, come.
Okay, now what kind of video this?
Let me tell you truth.
What kind of video this?
Look why you.
Hold on.
When you say
After you tell me so people are take set of you and me to tell me that I lie.
No, me
willing how much things you okay now what kind of video this?
You see you? You see you? Me disappointed in you. Me lose half a year. You me lose half a year because every time you say something to you, you pick up for your baby mother and go like say me a take set pan her, me a pick pan her, and me a take a reg, and me a torment her.
Sir,
you so long me a tell us that Davi money and miss 9 hours and no me a take care of me and you.
Me give you back your money.
Me not want back no money.
What kind of video this?
Me Me don't want back no money, want to know what she got teeth, me money do with it. Cause you're not working, you're road and look work. You soon have a newborn baby. Me I try to assist and me I comfort you in every way possible. Me miserable, alright, me understand.
Hold on, no, man, let me hear what you say now. What kind of video this? What happened?
But you never did want to tell. Come, you never did want to put more pressure upon you. Come, say we lose the house and you did lose your job at the time.
So what happened? Talk to me now. What happened? Me not provide for you.
Yes. But
So how you thief money from my own mother? What happened?
my mother is getting in some serious conditions. She sick out from the other day. So me just start taking money and I bring her gift to my mother. So she alright. Me did plan to put it back. But I through everything I go so bad and the baby pain and everything just
Brother, if you tell me that I'm gonna find one way, if I
but me never did one
I'm gonna find one way, Kayla, I just can't do this. See, they know me almost accuse my mother. But how much stress coming on for me right now? Oh God.
You're too thief. You're too giant and thief. Me don't like
sorry for
thief.
taking money. Cause you give me some of this day and you put a roof over me that me really and truly appreciate. I'm sorry say me take your money. Although me know say you don't like me.
I don't like you, Kayla. Me don't like your ways. And so you're gonna do something further now to make me don't like your ways even more upon what you did do already. Alright, me accept the apology. Me understand the situation. I'm gonna like if somebody in need and they want the help and me can help them and me don't help them. As much as I think me don't like you, me don't hate you, me just don't like your ways. You understand, Kayla? And this is what I'm going to say to you. You could have apologized more than 1 million times, say me accept your apology. But me still upset with the fact, say, you're a thief. And me now get over that because every move and gone now when me go the fret pan one me put on in my house. So me really and truly no know how me I go to do this so me feel like you have to go left.
What? Do it again.
Me feel like she have to go leave, Davi. If you want to stay, you stay. But me feel like say she have to go take up her things them and cut.
Mummy, but your grandpicking and go, you can't
Yes,
put
me
your
know
hands
say
up.
me know say I want unbad baby and innocent. You don't have nothing to do with this. But at the end of the day, you're the thief already and you're pregnant. You teach me grandpit if you thief already and you're not born yet.
Mummy, people make mistake. You have to give them one chance.
How much chance more care.
But I foresee ever happen. Nothing like this never happen. You have to give them one chance.
Davi, you know say a long time I think about this. From me just start miss money and I talk about it. I don't make it look like say me I make unnecessary problem. I don't know. We get annoyed and I say alright, one way for do this. Get it video. I have my video evidence. And see me have it now. And I saw you come down to, you know, because you know push me if you go put one hidden camera in my room.
Mummy, but you can't tell me to come out because I go after left you. You go put out your son and your grandson or daughter.
So what me go do?
So,
Choose whether me mother or your baby mother.
Mummy, me agree say when you do wrong. But you have to give and take. Me tell you say when you give back your money, you can't put me out so.
I'm sorry.
And you was a thief. And you know what gonna happen me? Eh? She gonna thief me right down to $0.00. That she gonna do me next time if you get one next chance.
Yeah, go feel bad then. Feel bad then. Put that in the other room.
You're not supposed to argue with your mother.
Mummy.
Yes.
So Kayla do right. And I say how you act wrong. I say you must can give and take. I come over here and I beg you a chance to stay. I know say everything look bad for me now. I really go put out my baby mother.
Davi.
You really go put out your son.
Davi.
You really
I
go
love my grandbaby and you know born yet. And he's very innocent and I have nothing to do with it. But at the end of the day, I don't know if you can put up with Kelly and her baby and no more. This past boundaries, man, this very, very rude. I try my best, but I can't go no more.
Alright. Thanks for me.
Take care of yourself, my son, and take care of your baby mother.
Don't worry about me. I survive.
Happy riddance.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care of yourself. They won't say me I want heartless mother. I'm a ruthless. But principle are principle. And if you're not drawing line now, you go sorry later. Sorry, my son, but that's where you go. Me are one of them strict mother, they understand.
Sorry. Never really mean to take your mother money. It's just that my mother is sick and they don't help my mother. That's why I need to take her money. And I say true, she never like me. Me never think she would understand her help me. I'm sorry for doing that. She empire. I hope you forgive me.
I'm telling you right now. I don't know if I can forgive you, but I can't turn my back on you. People make mistake. And whether I like you or not, you're going to be my baby mother. So I can't allow you or my picnic for up on the street. I guess we have to just go out there and do it together. I just wish you did tell me instead of thief. God no.
I'm sorry.